Hey friends, what's good? My name is Maggie and today we're going to be doing this look for a little get ready with me. It is also the first time I've ever put on false eyelashes and you can be the judge of how successful I was. Anyway, yeah, let's get started. Looks so red right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to start out with my NARS Radiance Primer and just put that on my face. You guys have seen this base probably before if you've seen any of my other videos, so nothing special here. I'm getting ready for a thing called Stampede. If you're from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, you will know what I'm talking about. It's basically this giant, oh by the way, CC cream. It cosmetics as per usual. It's essentially this giant rodeo is what it is. But it's more than just that. It's like this whole like expo thing with like Western, like this livestock show. There's like a dog jumping thing. There's a giant midway. And then there's stuff regarding like First Nations and all that. And it's just basically a giant celebration of Western Canadian culture, which is kind of cool. But it's also a giant party. And so there is lots of drinking involved. And there is lots of grown adults that dress up like cowboys. And I'm not even kidding you, for a solid week. That's what it is. There we go, there we go. All right, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm like running out. My face is really struggling these days. So lots of concealer today. That's looking a little better, hey? Not so bad. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Pro Longwear just to get the spots that really need some extra love. Blendable marker, remember that. You just went over that in your vid. I hadn't used this one in such a long time and I forgot how much I love it. It's seriously so good. There we go. I guess I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer under my eyes. There we go, and blend that out. I'm very low energy right now. I need a coffee. I might have to be back with a coffee. To get hyped up for tonight. So the plan for tonight is that I'm going out for dinner with my boyfriend and his brother and some friends. And then I'm going to a concert at like this bar, except for it's not just like a bar. It's basically a mini music festival because it's in this giant tent and they have different people every night. Like they were supposed to have G-Eazy last night, but of course he got denied at the Canadian border because of his scandals. And they have like a bunch of country music artists, obviously, because this is kind of like a Western themed thing. Tap out some powder. Oh, I'm using the Hourglass Veil powder. Takes them on a beauty blender and then I just blended it in under the eyes. I'm ending up like really loving the veil powder for under the eyes, but not so much on the face. So that's interesting. You're like, no, it's not. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to Old Dominion and John Party tonight, which are country artists. And then I want to go to Marshmallow on Sunday. So we'll see. And then I'm using my Kat Von D actually on the rest of the face just because I find that it sets the face better. And I use like quite a bit of powder on the face just because I'm setting it for like all night. This has got to last me until 2 a.m. So, all right, I am set in place, ready to seize the day. My shirt's falling down, so that's good. If you hear dripping in the background, that's just the shower. So don't worry about that. I might be back. I need a coffee. I'll be right back. I'm back. There are so many things going on in this video. I mean, this is just a second, I need to spray my face. MAC Fix Plus. This is like a chit chat get ready with me, but it's also like a first impressions. And also you're gonna get to see me fail at putting on lashes and I'm super excited about that. Woo, just so many things going on. All right, so I did my base. I am quickly going to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia brow gel and my Benefit Precisely my brow pencil and just fill in the patches. You know how to do brows. I don't need to describe it to you. Probably don't need to see this either. Oh, I need to do my brows badly. And by do my brows, I mean pluck half of them off. Done! Just kidding. Do those look even? Not really. That looks better, right? Well. It's not a Maggie makeup tutorial unless I drop something all over the ground. All right, now I'm gonna take my brow gel, brush them all up. There we go, brows in place. I need this to dry so I can start contouring. All right, I'm gonna take my Cocoa contour kit and take medium Cocoa, that guy, and just start on my cheekbones with an angled contour brush, by the way, from Sigma. I like this more for bronzing. I don't really like it for contouring, but I don't really have a good brush for contouring at the moment. So I'm just gonna put it on the heel and then just try to... My skin is not good right now. This is not. All right, that's all I'm doing for that. Now I get to open this guy. Got this today from Sephora. I'm so excited for this. This is the Pro Featherweight Powder. I'm gonna try and use this to bronze because it's just so giant. I just feel like it's gonna give me a very nice, like, all around glow. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my God, it's so soft. That looks so ashy and so crappy. Oh my God, put way too much of that on. Where's my beauty blender? Crap. All right, I'm gonna take my Hourglass bronzer here in the shade Luminous Bronze Light and try and get rid of this junk. Oh, I love it. Just bronze the neck a little. It's a pale trick, by the way. If you are really pale and you try and bronze without bronzing your neck, you're gonna look ridiculous. So bronze your neck. Might have put too much. This makeup look is going awful. I'm just gonna take a, oh my God. I'm just gonna take a little concealer and my beauty blender and kind of fix this up right under the cheeks. Better, right? Why does this cheek still look so bad? Oh, you know why? It's because I sprayed my face and it hadn't dried down completely before I started applying product. That's why. It literally looks like there's a gray stripe on my face right now. It doesn't look like that in person though. I might have to restart my makeup. Holy. See if I can fix this. Brush that off. Contour. Lightly contour, lightly contour. And that, my friends, is why you don't do makeup before coffee. There we go. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go... I got this new blush from MAC. It is called Style. It's super cute, like coral toned, so. Ba-doop. I'm just going in with my Sigma Large Powder and on the opposite of the cheeks. There we go. All right, I'm gonna start my eye look now. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids with some concealer. Just blend that out. There we go. And I'm just gonna set that with something close to my eye color. So I'm using my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette today. And I'm gonna go in with Tempera and I'm just gonna set that concealer. The only reason I chose this color is because it is close to my natural skin color of Pale AF. I think I'm gonna start off with Warm Taupe right there and just put that in my crease with my Sigma Tapered Blending. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little. Stop. Stop. All right. All right, and then using another new brush, my Pro Bullet Crease from Sephora. Let's see if you can zoom in. You're gonna have to put it right by my face, this one. No, we're just not gonna focus in general. This guy. I'm gonna go in with Antique Bronze, just a little bit, tap off the excess. You guys know the drill. This is like incredibly difficult because my camera's not quite high enough. All right, this is about as zoomed in as I can get without like breaking my back to fit this scene. I'm just bringing this one into my outer V and then dragging it into the crease. That's hot. All right, I'm gonna take my taper blending again and just kind of blend that out using like circle motions. Blend, 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 blend. All right, I'm gonna take Tempera and just put some of that into my inner corner here and just kind of blend that out. I'm gonna take my Pro Drawing Blending Sephora brush into that Warm Taupe again and I'm gonna just kind of like blend, 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 blend your shadows. I'm actually gonna take some Red Orchard, I think, that guy, on the same brush and just kind of like work that in, try and warm up this look. Starting, of course, in the very crease, the very corner, outer corner, and just blending that out. Does it look any better? Or does it just look like I have a black eye now? This look is not working out. This whole makeup is a disaster. Taking my taper blending brush and just when in doubt, blend it out is really what it comes down to. I'm just gonna blend again. When in doubt, blend it out. All right, that's starting to look like something. Ah, crap. Before I mess up anything else, I'm just gonna take my eye shading and I'm gonna go into Primavera and I'm just gonna put that on the inner corner and lid. All right, I'm gonna use some MAC Fix Plus to just like really get that color in there. Then again, taper blending to just blend that out. That's okay, right? That's not awful. I'm gonna take concealer and just cut the wing there. I'm gonna take that little tiny crease brush and I'm gonna go under the eyes now and just kind of like complete the look. And then I'm gonna take my pencil brush, my Sigma pencil E30, and just go in with that antique bronze. And then on that same brush, I'm gonna go and take that red orchard and just really get in close. There we go. All right, and so there's the eyes mostly done. Now it's time for the fun part, and I'm just gonna do some highlighter, and then I'm gonna do the lashes. So we'll see. So I'm just taking my Laura Mercier Matte Radiance highlight on my Sephora Pro Contour, and I'm just gonna pop that on there. I'm also gonna take it on my finger and just put it on my brow bone, and then I'm gonna put it a little on my nose. There we go. Perfect. All right, so the only instructions on these things are the step 1, measure and trim, but I'm using the no trim lashes, and then apply a thin layer of adhesive, and then place along lash line while gently pushing down to secure. Oh my God, just the velour lash kit. Here we go. How do I get these frickin' tweezers out? Oh no, can't get the glue out either. Lashes. How do I get these off? Oh my God, I'm so nervous. All right, let's see. Let's see if they'll actually fit. This is my attempt at measuring the lash, even though I've never done it before. Those will fit, right? My own lashes are like sticking right up and blocking them. Oh my God, this is gonna be so hard. I think my own lashes are like almost as long as these. All right, glue, lash glue. I'm just gonna paint along it, I guess. I've seen beauty gurus blow on their lips first too. I mean, their lashes. All right, and then got them on the tweezers. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Okay, got a mirror right here, so hopefully I'll be able to like, oh, and they're slipping. No, this is not working. I think I waited too long. I'm gonna put some more glue on there. Okay, I'm not gonna blow on them this time. Frick, that was so close. Is that it? No, this part's not glued down. Oh, I almost pulled them off. Is that on? I think that's on. Huh. All right, next one. Glue. Where did I put the glue? I like this because it glows like blue before it dries, and then when it dries down clear. So you can tell. Are they on? Kind of. They're lifting up at the corners, which is annoying. Okay, and then I see people like blend it with mascara. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm so losing a lash tonight. Like there's no way these are both ending up on my face. All right, I'm using the Tardiest mascara. That looks so bad. Oh my God. Now it says that you shouldn't have to put on black eyeliner, but I think I'm going to just because that band keeps like popping up. I think I might take some lash glue and try and stick it down. Where did it go? There it is. I've literally used every different mirror possible. That looks better, right? Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes so I don't look like a crazy person anymore. All right, that could have gone a lot better, but it also could have gone a lot worse. I definitely think I need some eyeliner though. All right guys, to finish off this look, this wonderful look, I'm going to quickly pop on some lip balm and a lipstick using the Bite Agave lip balm. And then I'm using Kylie matte lipstick in Posy, and what I do is I just dot a little on the top and the bottom, kind of mix that together, and then blend it with a finger. There we go. And there you have it, the finished look. Looking like a fool right now, but that's okay. Oh my God, this is bad. Oh well. All right, I guess this is it. This is the finished look. Thanks for joining me on my adventure trying to get my freaking eyelashes on. You know, again, it could be worse. Girls would be like, oh, who is this woman trying to be? But guys aren't gonna notice, so I consider that a win. Anyway guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. I'm late, so I gotta go, and that's it. All right, peace out.